as red. She's got the spices, smile so bright. Cooking with Judith right by my side. By my side. Chop, chop, sizzle, frying pan heat. From pancakes to a fancy feast. Cooking with Judith, fun to say the least. The least.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith, and today I am going to do something different with a recipe that I've made before. Well, I haven't made it on the channel before. It's a Portuguese recipe. It's called pollo alligator. Now, I apologize for my pronunciation, and I did say that wrong. It's polvo alligator, which is octopus cooked a certain way. Really, don't ask me what ligero means. That dish is usually done with either octopus or cod. I want to do it with chicken. I have done it with octopus, which was really good, and I will do that for the channel in the future. But tonight I wanted chicken. So the first thing is I have a couple of chicken thighs, a lot of garlic, some smoked paprika, some little potatoes, bay leaves, coriander. Oh, I should have some lemon somewhere too. We'll have to get that out of the fridge. What we need to do first is crush our garlic cloves and get our chicken marinating in the garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, and some olive oil. So let's get started. Okay, so we put our chicken in I have a Pyrex casserole. You can use a baking tray. And I just seasoned it with the smoked paprika and a little bit of salt. Then we want to crush our garlic. So just with the back of a knife, take the hard ends off and just crush them with the back of the knife. And then crush very well, did it? There we go. And we're just going to put these around the chicken. You don't need to peel them, because they are going to roast, and they will pop out of the peels really easily once they're roasted. And you don't need to squish them terribly hard. It's my cutting board is a little uneven, so I'm just going to even put those in whole. It bounces a little bit. There we go. Spread them around. And yes, it looks like a lot of garlic. I like garlic. I'm going to pop the bay leaves in and pour in the olive oil. And you do want a couple of tablespoons. And we're going to leave our chicken to marinate in that for about an hour. Or if time is running short, you could cut the marination short as well, because it does take some time to cook. While our chicken is marinating, we want to wash our potatoes and cut out any bad spots. So I don't see much in the way of bad spots, but there is a little one there, so I'll cut that off. And I'm not peeling these. These are very thin skinned. I'm just checking for nasties. Oops, there's a nasty. Get that out of there. There we go. Okay, my potatoes are fairly small. If you're using larger potatoes, you may want to pre-boil them, or they won't have time to cook through. What I am going to do with mine, even though they are small, is I'm going to make sure I pierce them just with a fork, especially the larger ones, which will help the cooking. Okay, let's just stab them. Be careful not to hit your fingers. Oops, there's another thing that should come off. Okay. There we go. Okay. those are ready. The oven has been heated to 400 degrees, and we are going to tuck our potatoes in around our chicken. Rather large potatoes. One more. Get you in there. Okay. And we're going to bake this for about 40 minutes. And then we're going to turn the chicken over and continue to bake. After 40 minutes, we want to turn our chicken over. And maybe give the potatoes a little turn as well. They're doing lovely. Nice and toasty. Okay. And we'll put them back in the oven for about another 40 minutes, just until the chicken's nice and brown. While the chicken is finishing cooking, we're going to prepare our garnish and our vegetables. So I've got some butternut squash and some cauliflower ready to go. And I'm just going to get some lemon wedges. Just a couple small ones. And some chopped coriander. So, don't need to chop it too finely. There we go. All ready. And our chicken is nice and golden. Potatoes are soft. So just time to garnish. Let's see, turn it over. Okay, time to garnish and have dinner. This is my version of frango alagreiro, a Portuguese dish that's quite often made with octopus or thick cut cod. I thought I'd try it with chicken today. Frango is Portuguese for chicken. So let's give it a try. Looks lovely. It's been smelling delicious all afternoon while it cooked. Well, didn't take all afternoon, I think. We are going to squeeze the lemon on it. It is delicious, but I'm just going to squeeze the lemon on it, since I do like lemon. And oh yes, that elevates the flavor, and it is absolutely lovely. Got the garlic there. And remember I said not to peel your garlic? It didn't need to be, because it would roast and would slide right out. Yep, the peels are all in the casserole, and the garlic cloves are on my plate. The potatoes are beautiful and soft. Let's get a bit of that garlic. I don't want a whole lot of it. That is so tasty. My downfall is potatoes. I love them so much. The chicken is tender, juicy, absolutely fat. And potatoes also tender, wonderfully cooked, and flavorful. It's a super simple dish, absolutely wonderful. Great for a family dinner, or even if you have guests over. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the recipe. Please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And hit that bell icon. And then you'll know when I put up a new video, which I do every week. Check out my Instagram. In the middle of the week, I let you know what's coming up next. And sometimes a few photos of other things that didn't make it to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything you do, every like, every comment. Keep it up, and I'll see you again soon with a new video.
Meeting in the kitchen, fun ahead.